Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Saturday, March the 5th, 2022, Saturday, yes. Here we have also Saturday, May the 5th, March the 5th, 2022. We have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Medium and a Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. And I won't do them anymore. Too much time consuming, yes. I need more than an hour to solve these kind of puzzles. So only one regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku, but in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. Those puzzles I'm not interested, so 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will do after the Sudoku Medium, regular Sudoku. Tomorrow on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in today's additional. Alright, but first, Sudoku Medium number 4215. Yes, this will be 4215. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle, and for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Scan the puzzle. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright, in this big square we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this row. So no 9 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have no. One mistake. We have a 2 here in this row. So only the 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, another 5 there, so no 5 here. Only place left for the 5 should be there. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8. Well, we see here an 8 in this column. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. So the 8 in the last column should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. That means in this row, here cannot be an 8. We have an 8 in this big square. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in this row. For number 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 could be here or there. Well, we have another 9 in the first column, so no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Can we count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. Okay. How about, let me see. Well. Yeah. Which number can I pick? How about 7? I'm thinking 3. Yeah. 7, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, here we see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. 1. Yeah. 4. 3 missing numbers in this row, the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in the first row for the number 3. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So row B3, in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And let me count, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. Alright. Then let me see 2, 4, 5, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2 in this big square. Well, we have a 2 there in the third row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the second row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. All right. Then. How about the number? These two missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. All right. 4. Then. One number left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and a 7. How about these 2 missing numbers? In this column, 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7 still cannot fill those numbers. About these 2 numbers in this big square, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4 still cannot finish this. These 2 numbers then. In this column, the first column, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 7 and 4, 7 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet, 7 and a 4. Okay, how about these 2 missing numbers in the middle column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Still cannot fill this yet. 1, 7. Oh, no. 4 and 8. Well, we have a 4 here. So, cannot be 4 here. The 4 is supposed to be here. And the 8 goes there. Okay, now we have 1 and the 7 left. Okay. Now we have a 4 here. So, this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. 2, 2. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 7. And that box should be a 4 in the first column. So now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 1. And that box in this column should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, faster than the 15 to 20 minutes. All right, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, these numbers I'm interested. I've collected for more than 4 weeks, analyzing those. Maybe I can see a pattern, maybe you can see a pattern. We have here 768, 768, 536, 536, and 374, 374. Here we have the 7 as a pair and the 3 as a pair. Yeah, 2 pairs. No, 3 pairs. The 6 also. 6, 7, and 3. 3 pairs. All right. Okay. Our daily Sudoku practice continues. All right. So see you later. Bye bye for now.